with Riverside County Office of Education right now, we have a literacy initiative. And so one of the questions we'd like to ask is, what are some ways teachers can support math literacy in their classrooms?
So, one of the routines that I really like are data talks. There's that program with the New York Times, what's going on with this graph. And so every couple of weeks, they print this very strange looking, not ordinary looking graph. And they ask the questions, what do you notice? What do you wonder? And what's going on with this graph, right? And I just think that's a wonderful routine to get students thinking, really allowing their minds to kind of, their imaginations to run wild and not feel like nothing high stakes, where they're just able to kind of share their thinking and do some, that new book, Rough Draft Math, they're able to do some rough draft thinking, right? And I like a routine like that. And it gets students talking. And I think it's really important. That's a huge aspect of the literacy. And another routine that I really like is the 3 read strategy that I originally learned from Harold Asturias, but it turns out he learned it from Grace Kalamanik, and it's heavily referred to in the Routines for Reasoning book. But I think that is another really good strategy to get students to, read a problem multiple times, then to really dissect it and think about what is the context, what are the important quantities, and what are some questions that I could ask, and really gets them in a problem-solving mode to be able to attack a problem. And again, there's reading, writing, listening, and speaking. So they're getting all those, a lot of real good literacy practices in as well. So
absolutely, we love those routines. Thank you for sharing those.